get dressed with ease, here's a tip. Look for inspiration. All around you, we have inspiration. Not just in the people around you, but also we have so many resources like Pinterest or shiny magazines. I love to look for inspiration and then think, how can I apply that into my own wardrobe? How can I add a little something special to what I wear every day? I look for inspiration all around me and try to apply it in my wardrobe. So I highly encourage you to look for inspiration around you as well. Just notice what you're attracted to, what you're drawn toward. Maybe it's a certain silhouette, color, or texture, print. What do you notice that makes you pause with appreciation? Whatever you do notice, bring it to your closet and try to apply it to your own process of getting dressed. I'm a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves so that she can get dressed with ease. I have an online program that walks you through the process of how to make powerful decisions once so that whenever you come into your closet, it is a no-brainer. You can just get dressed easily, knowing that you can go confidently into the world looking your best. Part of the program is getting coached once a week in a live call with myself to answer your questions, to brainstorm, to finally make the decisions that make getting dressed so much easier. I can't wait to work with you.